Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is D.I.Y and I've been doing videos and tutorials, so to speak, on doing your natural African hair. And the last video I did, I talked about um, applying things to your hair before washing it so that you not remove you not wash off all the essential nutrients that are in your hair. What you really need to wash actually is your scalp. That is the place that needs stimulating. So today I would like to talk briefly on how to wash your hair, and that will take a long time, but I will put it in segments. So we'll start with pre-shampoo, how to pre-shampoo your hair and what you can use. Now there are so many things you can use to pre-shampoo your hair. You can use olive oil, but if you do not have olive oil, you can also use palm oil. So you're going to be needing like nylon bag. If you have a shower cap, that's fantastic, but if you don't, you can always use your grocery nylon bags and just wear it on your head and tie it, twist it around, and tie it and all of that. And it's better if you apply whatever it is you applied in your hair before washing it. It's always better that you let it soak into your hair, especially if you don't have the time to boil water to wash your hair with warm water. So if it's olive oil you are applying to your hair, if it's palm oil, if it's Vaseline, if it's shea butter, if it's whatever it is you are putting in your hair, if it's avocado, mashed avocado, if it's banana, if it's plantain, there are so many things, yogurt, milk, that you're going to apply in your hair. Make sure that you when you apply it to your hair, you massage your scalp. You understand? And the best way to massage is, I'll just show you, it's to press in slightly and then roll in circles. So you press and roll in circles, and you do that for every area of your scalp. So you dip your fingers in underneath your hair, and if you section your hair like I do my hair, this I've been doing my hair for a while, and I'll just tie scarf on it most of the time. So I just take my hair like this, and then I braid it. So just for you to see how that is, like I braid it. So this is it. You just put it in 3 sections, and then it's raining out there right now, so I went out to take some rainwater, and my hair is a bit wet and soft. So you twist it, so back to the hair. So you twist it around like this, like this, like this, and you have this one. So instead of just leaving it like this, you just look for a small pocket in the base of your hair, and you push it in, and that's it right there. So you just push it in like that, and so it makes it easier to wash, because then you just put your fingers in and just massage into it. Then you now put your nylon bag or your shower pack over your head, and you leave it there for minimum of an hour, and for as long as you can. You can leave it overnight if it's not uncomfortable, and if you know that you want to wash your hair in the evening, you can apply in the morning and just go about your daily routine with your nylon on your head. And you can just wrap a scarf, if you have a scarf, wrap it on the nylon, so it just makes it more moist. It helps retain moisture, so that by the time you remove it and you want to wash your hair, like, it will be so soft and all of that. So you just add little soap. Don't put the soap on your hair though, put it at the base. You apply it to your finger